also dealing with dry damage hair, you need to try this Absolute Repair Molecule Hair Mask from L'Oreal Paris. This is one thing my hair was missing. For every damaged hair, you need to try this Absolute Repair Molecule Mask from L'Oreal Paris. It restores hair strength, elasticity and smoothens from within. You need to apply this on freshly shampooed damp hair, spread evenly through mid-length and ends. Real transformation starts with the hair mask, repairs up to 2 years of damage in one use, goes beyond surface smoothing, repairs damage from the molecular level. Damage is caused by heat, styling and environment, and this Absolute Repair Molecular solves this. Use L'Oreal Paris Absolute Repair Molecular Hair Mask after every shampoo for visible transformation.